like I told you guys, you only need about 1,000 followers on TikTok, Instagram, or 500 subs here on YouTube. And you can get free samples in the mail. I was just watching a video. They were talking about Flip. So I may check that out because you can get monetized on there as well. And that's what we want. We want to be monetized everywhere on social media. Okay, so this is from the TikTok shop, CMP Laboratory. They're the same ones that make the CMP lip serum, which I really like that I'm wearing right now. CMP Laboratory. This was a free gift from the TikTok shop, as well as this. So I'll do a video for my obligation of the sample, and then I can earn commissions from the products. Can't wait to try that. It looks real juicy. I always like to smell it. I don't smell nothing, but okay. And next we have, but yeah, I really want to pitch to some brands and get some paid collabs, because commissions is cool, but where's everybody buying your stuff? You got to go viral so you can get some commissions. You got to post. My girl says she posts, she has viral videos and she makes great money on TikTok shop, like 20K a month. She posts at least 10 times a day, and I do not. I might post, I was posting, what I thought was consistently was enough was 3 to 5, but apparently that's nowhere near enough. And she said 10, 20 videos. One of her friends posts 20 videos a day. So TikTok shop, these are like some skin rice peeling agents, and they stress that this peeling effect will not happen on other surfaces other than your skin. So they stress that a lot. And the more you use it, the less you see the dead skin and peel that you have after using it. So one is like mild, and then one is extra more intense. So yeah, white rice and black rice, that was from the TikTok shop. Thank you. Ooh, this is heavy. Gold Key Apple Fresh. Okay, so these, I believe I know what this is. Somebody was supposed to be sending me some, like pods, like Tide pods for your clothes. Okay. Oh, laundry pods. Yes. So the scent was April Fresh. And I can't wait to use those 4-in-1 scent booster for my clothes, honey. This was from the TikTok shop. So thank you so much. Everything came from the TikTok shop today. Thank you so much, TikTok shop. I can't wait to use this. They also had like smells good. I needed those. They also had like this mini washer and dryer. You could put like say you're in an apartment and you don't have access, or you don't want to go to the public one, or whatever's going on. They had a little, that would be so, I requested it, but they didn't approve it, or it expired. So I may buy one, but hopefully I get to move out soon into my apartment. I can't wait. And I'm just speaking it into existence. We're gonna leave the country and we're gonna move far, far away. So thank you for tuning in for this video. These smell so nice. I can't wait to, and I love the I don't think anything in the store comes in a container like this. This is so cute because you can like reuse it for whatever. Thank you, TikTok shop. So that was my video. I encourage you guys to get on TikTok shop. Skippers, with Skippers, if you I can't even talk. If you qualify on TikTok shop, you probably qualify for Skippers as well. And you can get free samples from them as well to try. They have different categories that you can pick from. So, and that's it. Thank you for tuning in.